Namaste, a hearty welcome to all my beloved and esteemed friends. Today, let us try to understand one of the important propositions. Propositions are nothing but theorems only, friends. So, today, let us try to understand proposition number 36 given in the book Elements in volume number 3. Okay, here is a circle with center O and an external point P somewhere outside the circle. Let us draw a secant like this. Let it intersect the circle at A and B. From the same external point P, let us draw a tangent like this and let C be the point of contact. So in this figure, we have to prove or understand one important result. That is something about the PC, that is the tangent, the square on the tangent. That is area of the square on the tangent PC is equal to the secant PA times PB. PB is nothing but the segment of the secant which is outside the circle. So we have to show that PC square is equal to PA times PB. Okay. So for this, friends, it requires some simple construction. Any idea as to what construction we have to make, friends? Can you think for a while? So join A and C. Okay. Also join B and C also. That's all. This is with the simple construction, I think we can easily demonstrate this result. Can you see any angles equal in this figure, or can you see equiangular triangles, similar triangles in this figure? Okay. So for this, we have to compare two triangles, namely triangle PAC and triangle PCB. The whole triangle, okay. Here is the pointer, laser pointer. So the whole triangle PAC, the whole big triangle, and the triangle PBC, that is this triangle, we have to compare. So let us start comparing them. Well, what is the first point? Angle CAP is, observe angle CAP with the two R's in green color. So this angle CAP is exactly equal to, can you name the angle which is equal to this? Correct. Yes, which is equal to angle BCP. Okay, this is the angle which is equal to angle CAP. Friends, do you know the reason for this? Yes, the reason being they are called angles in the alternate segment, which states that the angles made by a curve with the tangent are equal to the angles in the alternate segments. Once again, the angles, this is the angle made by this card with the tangent are equal to angles in the alternate segment. These two angles are equal. So this is wonderful theorem, important theorem, which all of us we know. The second angle is, look at the angle APC with the star mark. This angle, don't you think is common to both the triangles above? Okay, therefore we can take a decision that they became equiangular, therefore they became similar. Once they became similar, you know, we have to apply the A criterion, take the ratio between the corresponding sides. So PA are the first two vertices of triangle PAC divided by PC means first two vertices of triangle PCB. This ratio is exactly equal to PC by PB. PC is first and the third vertices of triangle PAC divided by first and the third vertices of triangle PCB. This all because of a criterion. Now cross multiply PC into PC is PC square, which is equal to PA times PB. So this is the result we wanted to show. So just with the help of similar triangles, A criterion, we got this wonderful result. So hence QED means quad erat demonstrandum. So this is case number 1 where the secant PA is not passing through the center of the circle. So let us consider another case, case number 2, where the secant PA is passing through the center of the circle. So here is a circle with center O and here is an external point P. So the secant now is passing through the center. So it is intersecting the circle at A and B, and this is the tangent through the same point, external point P. So point of contact is C. Now join AC and BC. The same proof holds good in this case also. So these are the two alternate angles, and this is the angle common to both, therefore they became similar. So if you take the ratio between the corresponding sides and cross multiply, you get PC square is equal to PA times PB. Okay, so these are the two cases, case number 1 and case number 2, in one single slide only you are seeing this. This is a very important result. Whether the secant passes through the center or not through the center also, the same result holds good. So now let us understand the general enunciation, a statement for this result. So if a secant and a tangent are drawn to a circle from the same external point, that is the same point P, then that will be equal to this, then the square on the tangent. What is that? Which is the tangent in this case? It is PC is the tangent. Square on that. So area of this square on the tangent PC is equal to, so let us write down in the symbols also, is equal to the rectangle contained by the secant, that is PA times, and it is equal to the segment of the secant outside the circle, that is PB. Friends, here PA and PB, if you look these two terms, these two factors, if they are unequal, don't you think it amounts to the area of a rectangle? You assume PA as the length and PB as the breadth. If you multiply, it amounts to the area of a rectangle, which is not shown in this figure anyway. So if those two factors are equal, then it will become the area of a square. So if PA and PB, since they are unequal, we can say that this is amounts to the area of some rectangle which is not shown here. So therefore it is equal to the rectangle contained by the secant, means you make these among these two, one of the side as the length and the other one as the breadth. The product will give us the area of a rectangle. Okay, so now this is the very important result. So this I got it in the book Elements volume number 3 as position number 36. So these are the two cases which you have understood just now. There is a purpose of sharing this result, friends, is I have a very interesting and a rare a great concept in geometry I have understood, and I wanted to discuss this very shortly. Hence today I have shared this important result with you. So please give me your feedback, alternate methods if any. Thanks really for watching this video. See you tomorrow with another concept. Please take care. Bye bye. See you. Namaste.